Alright guys, so today I'm going to do a super quick little install for the cabin filter on my E91 328. This works for E90, E91, E92, 93. It's all pretty much the same. So what you're going to need is a socket with a 8mm. There's going to be a total of 6 bolts. One there, one right there. Where's the other one? Oh, the other one's right there. So there and there. So total of 6 bolts. So then, once you got all your bolts undone, which I actually noticed, this is the first time you ever doing this, I just bought this car recently. There should be one right here, so mine only has 5. That piece is actually broken, so I should probably get another one of these pieces. You just lift out, and yeah, there is the filter. I have no idea when it was changed, but I decided to just buy a new one anyways. So yeah, if you have any debris or anything, clean it up. Mine actually looks pretty decent. I mean, there's a bunch of leaves in there, but yeah. So this is the old filter, that's the new filter. Alright, so super simple how to get this cover off. There are these little tabs. There's one here, one here, one here. You just press them down, just like that. And once you have this pulled out a little bit, you're gonna lift up, and it pops right out. Looking at my filter, it actually looks like it was replaced recently. So, I mean, that kind of sucks that I just bought a new one. But yeah, I'm probably gonna replace it anyways. I'm trying to see if it's like an OEM part. Yeah, it's an OEM part, so it was actually replaced recently. So yeah, let's take a look at the new one. I'm gonna see if it's a huge. It's a little dirty. This is the new one. That's the old one, so you can definitely see that this one is a lot more dirty, so go ahead and pop this in. It's gonna slide in. What am I doing wrong? I wonder if BMW gave me the wrong part. No, it's the same. There it goes. How's it going? Awesome. Thank you so much. You guys will. Sweet. Alright. And then everything just snaps. Snaps just like that. Super simple. So, once you have the filter all put in, I'm going to put the cover back on. You just line up that hole, and you're done. Well, minus of course put this 5 screws in my case in, but you should have 6. Get those put back in. And that's how you do it. So, you guys have done a simple little task that why pay the dealer to do it when you can do it yourself. If you guys would like to see more videos on my FRS, E91, E36, let me know and I will post more content. So make sure and subscribe. You guys can check out all the stuff I do on these beasts.